Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Amrita. Last Friday, we looked at how we can introduce ourselves in informal situations. We talked about the introduction, the small talk that follows, and how we can conclude and leave the small talk. In today's video, we are going to look at 5 sample examples of informal conversations. If you're a new visitor to this page, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to get notifications every week. Let's get started with today's video. Let's do a quick revision of the last week's video. The first line is the opening line or the introduction line. Once you introduce yourself, you get a response from your listener. And you have to respond to the listener by taking the name of the listener so that he or she feels important and feels like he or she is the center of attention. After the opening lines and exchanging names, we move on to the small talk. And this is exactly where a lot of us get confused and get stuck because we do not know how to continue the conversation. And hence, I had given you 3 tips in the last video. One was either you can ask questions, or you can compliment the person you're talking to, or you can share something about yourself to get the conversation going. And once these 3 things are done, or one of these 3 things are incorporated in your conversation, you can conclude using the concluding lines and you can say goodbye to the person you met. Now let's look at the first example. Hi, I'm Amrita. Hey, hi, I'm Rahul. Glad to meet you, Rahul. Same here, Amrita. So, where are you from? I'm from Lonavala. Wow, that's a lovely place. Perfect to escape the summers in Mumbai. I second that. I was there last month with my friends. We'd booked a private villa and we had a whale of a time together. Superb! Do let me know when you visit next. I would love to host you all. Done deal. I gotta grab a drink. It was nice meeting you, Rahul. Same here, Amrita. See you around. I don't think we've met before. I'm Amrita. Hey, hi. I'm Ranveer. Nice to meet you, Ranveer. So, you are Deepika's... I'm her childhood friend. Oh, superb. And where are you from? I'm from Delhi. To be more specific, from Connaught Place. Fantastic. So how was your journey? Relaxing. I landed last night. That's cool. I hope you enjoy the party, Ranveer. See you around. Yep. Great talking to you, Amrita. Same here. So friends, if you observed in the first 2 examples, we asked question by saying where are you from? Then we also showed appreciation by saying that's a lovely place perfect to escape the summers in Mumbai. And in the examples that are going to come further, I want you all to observe how questions, compliments and sharing something about yourself can get any small talk going for a while. Now let's move on to the third example where we are going to appreciate something about our listener. Hey, I'm Amrita. Hi Amrita, I'm Katrina. Nice to meet you, Katrina. If you don't mind, can I say something? Yes, please. I'm in love with your necklace. It's so elegant and goes perfectly well with this dress. Oh, thank you so much. I bought it recently from Maldives. Wow, it indeed looks like a unique piece of jewelry. Yes, it is, dear. Thanks again. And what do you do? I'm an artist. I conduct online workshops for students of arts. What about you? Interesting. I'm a social worker with an NGO situated in Bandra. Brilliant. I'm sure you must be doing something impactful. Yes, always trying to. Anyway, it was great talking to you. See you around. Same here. Hi, my name is Amrita. What's your name? My name is Ayush. Nice to meet you, Amrita. It's a pleasure to meet you, Ayush. This is a great party. Yes, it is. Where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. Mumbai, are you a Maharashtrian? No, I'm not a Maharashtrian. I'm a Gujarati. Oh, you're a Gujju. My bad. That's okay. Where are you from? I'm from Pune, but I'm not a Maharashtrian. No? What are you? Well, my parents were Kashmiri, so I'm a Kashmiri too. Kashmir! That's interesting. It's a place of pristine natural beauty. Thank you. It is a wonderful place. Well, it's been lovely talking to you, Ayush. If you could excuse, I gotta go. Absolutely, Amrita. Same here. Friends, just a small request. If you're liking this video and you found the content useful, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon for notifications. Let's get going with the last example. Hi there. Great party, isn't it? It sure is. I'm Amrita. Amrita, nice name. I'm Karthik. Nice to meet you, Karthik. Did you try lasagna? It's scrumptious. Oh, is it? Not yet, but now I surely will. So, what's your favorite cuisine? Well, I'm fond of Thai. I especially love the boiled Thai dishes. Healthy and appetizing. That's exactly how I feel about Thai food too. Hey, same pinch. Okay then, I need to use the washroom. I'll see you around, Karthik. Yeah, sure, Amrita. It was nice meeting you. Same here, Karthik. So friends, these were our 5 sample examples of conversations that you can have when you're meeting someone new for the first time. Do not hesitate to get the conversation going. Use some of these tips that I've shared with you and I'm sure you will rock it. Until I see you next. And by the way, did you subscribe to my channel? If not, do not forget to subscribe and hit the small bell icon. Bye-bye.